How to handle adding elements and their parents using xpath. Okay, I have a case where I need to add a tag to a certain other tag given an xpath. Example XML. I want to add a missions tag to both assets. However, the second asset is missing the parent services tag, which I want to add. Each asset tag is stored in a variable, say node1, node2. I have the following xpath. xpath1 equals services/missions, which, due to the way my program works, I cannot simply store in a different form, i.e. I don't have a place to store just services. I need to check and see if the missions tag already exists, and, if so, do nothing. If the tag does not exist, I need to create it. If its parent does not exist, I need to create that too. How can I do this simply by using the xpath string? Edit. I want to base all this on a Boolean value, i.e. val equals true, then create tag, and parent, if necessary. If false, then delete tag. I have no other way of referring to the tag I need, since I have layers on layers of functions to automate this process on a large scale. You can check out my previous question here. Python lxml, adding and deleting tags. Edit. Another issue. I don't have a variable containing the parent of the element to add, just a variable containing the asset object. I am trying to get the parent of the node I want using this xpath and a variable pointing to the tag. Edit. Never mind the above. I will fix the issue by shorting the xpath to point to the parent, and using a variable name to refer to each item.
Although I'm not sure that combining add and remove functionality in one function is good idea, but anyway this is likely to work as you're expecting.